Nature lovers, today I am telling you different types of the plants as for example Bryophyte, Pteridophyte, Angiosperms and other plants also. Those are found in the survey of this trip. This is the Rixia cavernosa belonging to family Rixiaceae, a bryophytic plant. Here you are watching. Below the fountain, there are different types of the bryophytic and pteridophytic plants are grown. They grow in shady and moist areas. As in the video I am showing to you, the water is dripping from the high place. This is the Adiantum lunulatum sin Adiantum philippans that belong to Adiantaceae. These are the another type of the plants. They are found near water sources, rhodiola and androsace, the most loving plants. This is another Adiantum venustum that belong to Pteridaceae, now in Adiantaceae family. This is Cyathoddium cavernarum that is found grows on the surface of the soil or the stone surface, but the area should be shady and moist and the temperature low. Here is the green carpet of the bryophytic plants, a very beautiful view of the bryophytic plants. These are the bryophytic plant. Conocephalum belong to Conocephalaceae. Background is fishy dense that is mixed with this plant. There are pteridophytes, bryophytes. They grow with each other in association with other plants, shade-loving plants. This is the Targionia hypophylla that is of Targionaceae family. So when you will go in search of plants, you go to the hilly areas where moisture and humidity and low temperature is found. This is also a specific plant that having a flower-like structure, that is the Estrella tenella. By this structure, you can easily identify to this plant. So there are different types of the plants, as this is the Selaginella, belong to Selaginaceae family. Each and every plant having a specific structure, a specific characteristic by which you can identify the plant from each other. They are the mixture of the plants growing in association with each other. As you are watching in this video, the broad-leaved plant, as you are watching, this is the Cissus species. Another, this is the bryophytic plant that is looking very special in their structure. This is Physidens adianthoides that is found in the shady places below the large trees. This is the pteridophytic plant Asplenium dalhousie, found in association with bryophytic and pteridophytic and angiospermic plant in the shades and moist places. They are another small and moist-loving plant growing on the surface of the soil and stone. This is Areopsis. They looks very beautiful when you will go to these plants. This is Elatostema cuneata that is found in association with bryophytic, pteridophytic places and in the crevices of the stones. This one is the Physidens dubius, looking very beautiful in the crevices of the stones and walls. This plant grows. They are found in the areas where the moisture and the temperature is opposite, that is moisture high and temperature low. They are bryophytic plants, pteridophytic plants and some angiospermic plants. Those grows with each other. Here you will watch interesting and different plants. They are very beautiful. This one is the another biotic plant, grows in crevices of the stone walls, and this is the snail because they are also moisture loving creatures. This is another pteridophytic plant that's known as Blechnum appendiculatum, family Blechnaceae, found in the moist areas. And this one is also another Blechnum occidentale that also belong to Blechnaceae family. They are growing in the moist areas, shady areas, and form the place very beautiful. They hangs from the branches of trees. As you are watching, this is the pteridophytic plant growing on the stem of large trees in association with the sphagnum that is known as Lapisaurus clathratus. This is also beautiful plant Lygodium sarcinatum found in the crevices of the stones where the water sources are present. This is bryophytic plant Markensia polymorpha found flat on the surface of the moist areas or the stones. So you can identify easily with the shape and size and specific characteristics of the plant. This is a beautiful flowered plant, Saxifraga brunonis, belonging to family Saxifragaceae. But without flower, you can't identify it easily. After flowering, it is very easy to identify this plant. Some plants are very special, but they can identify in the mature stage. This is Pogonatum arnigerum, belong to Polytrichaceae family. This is Asplenium trichomenes, belong to Aspleniaceae family. This is Antodon. So they are very beautiful plant. When you will see and watch these plants, this is Tortella squarosa, belong to Poaceae family. This one is the Syntrichia ruralis, also belong to Poaceae family. This is very special with their structure. easy to identify. This one that is found flat on the surface of the soil is the Peltigera membranacea, belong to Peltigeraceae family. This is lichen. This one is the Gremia pulvinata, belong to family Gremiaceae, that is found in the patches on the surface of the stone and moist soil. This one also very beautiful plant that is found in association of all these plants, looks very beautiful, and these are all beautiful plant. This one is the Cladonia pixidata, belong to Cladoniaceae family, that is a lichen. When you will see this plant, it looks like the angiospermic plant by this structure. This one is the Anaphalis busua, that an angiospermic plant belong to Asteraceae family. This is also Gremia. So they are very small plants. You have to a keen knowledge by which you can identify. These are the sedum. They are found also in association of these plants. Thank you very much for watching complete video.